Today's video, I'm going to be replacing the alternator on this Nissan Frontier. First thing we'll do is take off the negative battery terminal, 10mm. We're going to take off the power wire, so we're going to take off that red cover. $12mm. And we're going to take off the plug. All you gotta do is press down, pull up. On the back there's a ground wire you got to take off, 8mm, 12mm. This is the jam nut, that's what holds it down tight. Now this is the adjuster, 12mm. $14mm for the lower nut. There's a nut on the back side of the alternator, but you don't have to hold on to it. It turns and it catches a bracket and it holds itself. So pretty much I brought it up through here, move the hoses out of the way. If you don't want to struggle, you can go ahead and drain the radiator and then remove the hoses. I didn't want to get into all that, so I just went ahead and pressed it through, and then it just comes out right here. Now you compare the old one to the new one, and as long as everything matches, you can go ahead and install it. Before you tie them down the mount bolts, you're going to put tension on the belt. You're just going to snug it up so it has something to resist against. Then you're going to tension it. The last thing after the wires is the ground wire in the back, the 8mm. Nope, she starts up. No battery light. Then you can see it's at 14 volts, so we're charging. Good to go. And that's how you replace an alternator on these Nissans. Hopefully this video helped y'all. Y'all have a good one.